Joe, it took a while for those clouds to burn off today, but when they did, it was a really nice day. What does the rest of the weekend look like?
Tomorrow is going to be a carbon copy of today. Morning clouds, some afternoon clearing, and there's a chance to see some thunderstorms develop throughout the central and eastern side of the state. And looking at some updated models, things could get a little intense. So if you're planning on having a carefree weekend camping under the stars, you're going to be doing it under some thunderstorms potentially. I'll get to that in a second, but let's go outside right now, looking at clear skies with a temperature of 62 degrees from our Wells Fargo camera, and we are going to be seeing dry conditions a good part of the weekend. And here's a look at the satellite and radar. All is pretty quiet right now, but again, this time tomorrow, I'm expecting to see some of those thunderstorms develop. In fact, they're expecting them to develop throughout parts of the late morning and into the afternoon. So here's a look at the holiday weekend forecast. Saturday is going to be dry all day, morning clouds, afternoon sunshine. Basically the same kind of setup we've seen here the last couple of days, and light showers for Sunday and for the 4th of July, but again, I don't think we're going to be seeing a measurable amount of rain. Now, this is the futurecast. I have it stopped here at 2:30. You can see that cluster of yellows and some oranges near the Mount Jefferson wilderness area, Mount Bachelor and Bed. That's the area that's going to get hammered hard with some thunderstorms, and then not just throughout the afternoon, but look at those reds and some yellows. That shows you just the intensity of these storms. Unfortunately, our KGW bug is covering it. I can tell you though, thunderstorms will kind of linger throughout not just tomorrow afternoon and the evening hours, but into the overnight hours. Something we really don't see that much of, seeing some nocturnal thunderstorms late tomorrow night and into early Sunday morning. So again, if you have plans on camping, you might want to maybe come up with a second plan, maybe find a cabin instead of camping under a tent outside. As we head into for the 4th of July, early Monday morning, we'll be looking at mostly cloudy skies, but again, things are going to be improving. If we see any showers, they're going to be very light, and yeah, for the most part, we're going to be seeing under 0.2 of an inch, or under 5/100ths of an inch of rain, I should say. And this is the map that shows you where the severe weather is going to be for your weekend, through parts of southeast Oregon and in the Bend and Redmond, and especially along the Oregon-Idaho border. So if your plans take you there, you might just pay attention to the forecast here, because there could be some severe weather rolling through and some heavier downpours. In fact, the measurable amount of rain isn't going to be falling throughout the coast of the valley. It's going to be falling basically directly over central Oregon as those thunderstorms start to bubble up. But as we look at the next few days, we're going to be seeing some cool conditions partly for Sunday and Monday, and then we go back to sunshine and warmer conditions heading into a good part of next week. So the first full week of July, if you will, work week of July, you'll be seeing some sunny and warmer conditions up around the upper 70s to low 80s, similar to what you saw earlier today. Along the coast tomorrow, mostly cloudy and cooler with temperatures in the upper 50s to low 60s. Throughout the valley, staying very comfortable but cloudy with temperatures in the mid to the upper 70s. I think we see more of that sunshine heading in the later part of the day. Afternoon storms again throughout the Oregon Cascades, but I think for the most part, those storms are really going to just kind of settle over central Oregon and eastern Oregon. Mostly cloudy skies by the early part of the afternoon, but we rebound pretty quick with sunny skies and temperatures close to 80. And then on Sunday and Monday, I do have showers in the forecast, Laurel, but don't let that deter you if you're going to be spending any time outside. And again, your best bet to do some camping will be throughout the coast, the valley. If you can, maybe change your plans a little bit if you'll be doing some camping throughout Bend and Redmond and throughout the central Oregon. And then, much of next week, we're looking at sunny and warm conditions and no major warm up over the next few days, but it's very pleasant temperature-wise here heading into the weekend.